Cod fritters are better than any fish cake in the world. That's how I feel. Today I'll show you how to make your first Portuguese cod fritter. Traditional with my little twist on it. And to top it off, I will show you a great sauce that is perfect to go with it. Let's cook. I'll start by cooking my salted cod. In a pot with water, I'll add the aromatics. Onion, garlic and bay leaves all go in. Onion was sliced in chunky pieces and the garlic just smashed. No skins were removed, only washed before use. Bring it to a boil, and when boiling, I add the cod, bringing it to a boil again, turn the heat off and wait 10 minutes to remove the cod. This will gently cook the cod, giving it a light flavoring. I'm now using salt due to the cod already has some salt. After the 10 minutes, remove the cod and let it cool down before removing all bones and skin from it. While it cools down, let's prepare our potatoes. I'll peel and cut the potatoes. This will add a smoother texture. Using the pan where we cooked the cod, we're gonna add the potatoes in and 3 pinches of salt, and I will cook them until fork tender. This water will help flavor the potatoes. Drain and pass them through a strainer, and with the help of the back of the spoon, run it through it to get them really silky. I want this light, fluffy look to it. Just like I said to my girlfriend many years ago, we're a perfect mash. I missed on a career as a comedian. Now I'll small dice my onion. In a pan with very little olive oil, in low heat, I will sweat the onions with a pinch of salt. When done, I'll add garlic paste, garlic powder, onion powder and the fish stock. Let everything cook until all the stock is gone and reserve to cool down. Time to clean our cod. Carefully remove all skins and bones from the fish. Be extra thorough with it. Do not have any bones in our final dish. An easy process, you just need to get your hands in it. You can use a knife to remove the skin easily and just go through all of it till all the bones and skin are removed. Now this fish has a lot of moisture and we need to remove some of it and shred it. The simplest way to do it and with the least amount of work is to get all the cod and put it in a kitchen cloth. Wrap it around it like this, run the cloth against a board. It's like kneading dough and all the cod is shredded and much less water in it. And you get a nice shredded texture here. Now I'll dice the parsley. In a bowl, I'll mix the cod and the potatoes together, mixing well. I add the sweet wine. I'm using Muscatel here, a delicious wine that rivals port wine, and it's local to my hometown. Absolutely delicious. I'll add the onions, the dark soy sauce to drive a punch of umami through the whole mix, and the parsley. I'll add the eggs and mix everything well. When everything is well integrated, it's time to whip out from the drawer the technology we use in Portugal to build this cod fritter. With all this technology, you might think I'm sponsored by Elon Musk, but no. Get some of the mix in the spoon and use the other spoon to flip it over. And you do this until the shape is perfect. This is what I'm looking for, a 3-sided shaped cake. These 3 edges will be extra crispy. But if you want to do a ball or any other shape, I will not get upset. I will not get upset. And this size spoons will give you the perfect size. If you use bigger spoons, the ratio for the crispy outside and fluffy interior will be out of proportion. And with smaller, you lose the fluffy inside. When you have them all in a tray, you should know by now if you follow the channel, I am gonna freeze some of them to do later. Place it in the freezer and when frozen, move them from the tray to a plastic bag and they will be nice and individually stored. Nice and simple. To fry, in a pot with vegetable oil, heat it to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit, and when hot, simply place the fritter in and fry until golden brown. Keep rolling them over for even fry. They look gorgeous! Place them in a cooling rack to remove excess oil, and while they cool down, I'll make a nice dipping sauce for them. In a pot, I'll add water, chili flakes, tomato ketchup, ginger paste, garlic paste, sugar, honey, salt, and white vinegar. I'll mix everything well and let it cook for 10 minutes on medium-low heat. When everything is well integrated, I'll do a slurry with some corn flour and water, mixing everything well. And then I'll add it to the pot. I'll let it cook for a minute, and when it changes consistency, turn the heat off and let it cool down. This sweet chili sauce is ready. And if you want it more spicy, you can add more chili flakes. And it's a little spicy, but life is short, make it spicy. Our fritters have cooled down and they look incredible. I don't want to burn my tongue here, so only one thing left to do. Time to taste. So good. Crispy crunch, followed by a cloud of potato and cod and onions all melting with the running salty umami going through all of it. Mmm, delicious. This gives you all the traditional flavor, but with the touch of modernity. Makes it so good. Absolutely perfect. Let's try our sauce. The kick it adds to it, just delicious. It just works. Simple techniques, easy to do, and delicious to eat. If you never tried this Portuguese delicacy, try this one. This one. And if this fritter sparks your interest, here's another fried delicacy with prawns that will make you the king of any party or queen. I'll see you there.